In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mouth movement AI video on Filmora. By the end, you'll be able to turn a voice recording into a talking image that moves its lips convincingly, all with a few guided choices inside Filmora. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. From the main interface, look for the audio to video option. This is the feature that analyzes your audio and generates a matching mouth movement on an image. Next, bring in your media. Click to upload or simply drag and drop your audio or a video file with the voice you want to use. Clear, well-recorded speech will produce the most accurate lip sync, so pick the cleanest version you have. Now choose the language of your audio. This helps Filmora interpret pronunciation and timing so it can align the mouth shapes correctly. Select the language that matches the spoken track you just added. You'll be asked to select the type of content in your audio. Think about whether it's a narration, a conversation, a podcast-style talk, or something more energetic like a promo. This choice guides pacing and emphasis so the mouth movements feel natural for that style of speech. Choose your aspect ratio next. If you're creating for YouTube or most monitors, go with 16.9. For phone-first vertical platforms, 9:16 is a good fit. If you're making a square post, 1:1 works well. Pick the ratio that matches where you plan to use the final video. Set the duration. Aim to match or slightly exceed the length of your audio to avoid cutting off the last words. If your audio is shorter than the duration, Filmora will simply hold the final frame or background to fill the time. Select a video style to define the overall look. This controls things like background, color, and tone, so choose one that suits your project, whether it's clean and professional or bold and expressive. Upload the image you want to animate. Make sure the character's mouth or lips are clearly visible, facing mostly forward, and not covered by hair, hands, or text. A high-resolution, well-lit image helps the AI track the lips more accurately. Pick a material template to complement your style. This can add subtle framing, textures, or themed elements that tie everything together without distracting from the face. When everything looks set, click Generate. Filmora will process your choices, analyze the audio, and create the mouth movement. That's it, you've turned a static image into a talking visual using Filmora's audio to video feature.